Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to make a tool in Roblox. To do that, step 1, install Roblox Studio. If you don't have Roblox Studio installed, just download it from the Roblox website. Then launch Roblox Studio and either create a new place or open an existing one. After that, design a 3D model for your tool using the built-in tools and objects in Roblox Studio. You can also import 3D models if you have them. Then step 2. Insert a tool object. In the Explorer panel, right-click on Starter Pack or another location where you want to place your tool. Select Insert Object and choose Tool. Then select your newly inserted tool in the Explorer panel. In the Properties panel, you can customize the properties of your tool, such as its name, description, and grip style. To make a tool interactive, you need to add a script. So just right click on your tool in the Explorer panel and select Insert Object. Then choose Script. Then write the Lua script. After that, test your tool. Click the play button to test your tool in the game. Make sure it works expectedly. Then save your game. Once you're satisfied with your tool, you can publish your game to Roblox so that others can play it. And that's how to make a tool in Roblox. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.